Hey you guys, it's the morning of June 5th. I have no temperature. I'm covered in sweat, probably because my room is too hot. I had an okay night's sleep, didn't sleep super well. Just took my 8th dose of Paxlovid. I'm feeling much better right now. So it's 8th dose out of 10. No temperature. My temperature is 98 degrees. I'll probably gonna have some breakfast later. I took Paxlovid on an empty stomach just now. And I've had no ill effects. Again, the biggest side effect is going to be that really bitter taste in the back of your throat. So, really excited to be well again, or mostly well. I know this virus could probably make me pretty tired for a couple weeks. We'll check in later. Hello everyone, today is June the 5th. It is about 7 o'clock p.m. Texas time. I have taken my 9th dose of Paxlovid. As you can tell, I'm actually up and about now. I really started feeling some marked improvement after dose 7. After dose 8, I was almost feeling normal. And now I've taken dose 9 about 20 minutes ago, so we'll see if it keeps progressing. I absolutely plan to take it easy. I'm doing some light laundry, and that's it. And then I'm going back to bed. I start work on Monday. I'm going to take that easy too. Appetite has been good. Temperature is now normal. A fever hasn't been back in about 24 hours, so that's really good. Coherence is back. As you can tell, my voice is not back. So that's going to be a while. There's a lingering cough and some lingering sticky phlegm. That's super gross. But other than that, I am on the mend.